the builder wall tool, which I holy crap. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make money online in 2001 using free traffic methods with affiliate marketing. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribe, as I will get back to you. So I'm going to start off with YouTube, making money using YouTube. I wish I knew back in the day that YouTube was as powerful as I'm seeing it right now. It's so damn powerful. And making money with YouTube is, by, creating content out there, valuable content that people actually are searching for. Like YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world. A lot of people are searching for things in YouTube, and what you want to do is provide a solution to them, give them pure value. Now, there's a proper way to do YouTube and to do the keyword research so that you make sure that you get traffic to do your video through keyword research. I have a video that shows you how to do that. I'll leave it right here. So with YouTube, whatever niche you want to pick a niche, something that you feel comfortable with, and jump on that niche and provide value into the marketplace by learning through other YouTubers and through other sources on the internet, content that you like, and then just learn that content and model that. Also learn, do it yourself, and then teach it. It's also really powerful as well. And it's about providing value. So you get ideas from these YouTubers, you learn, and then you give value to the marketplace. And then you have a call to action on the video at the end of the video or between the video, right? I always recommend, capturing users' email. That's very important. Always. With every video you do, you want to capture their email so you can build that, source of traffic that it is the best source of traffic once you get the lead, because you have that person in your email list and you can email and give them value and sell them other things as you go. Now YouTube, you can make a video and that video can stay on YouTube for quite some time and still bring you traffic and sales. And the good thing with YouTube is you're building that connection with people, and therefore they are way more likely to go ahead and opt in into your offer and get to know what you have to offer, right? In the beginning with YouTube, it's normal that you get no traffic because you're not good at it. But as you keep going, you're gonna get better, because it's all about the retention rate. So how long people stay watching your video. So as you become better doing videos, you normally will grow on YouTube. It's a steady growth. It takes hard work, consistency. Just keep at it. But if you keep at it and you keep putting effort, you're going to be able to, get traffic from YouTube, and you'll be able to, get those keywords that are getting traffic and then go for them, and then just keep moving, and you'll attract a lot of people into your videos there, and then you can have links on your description to go ahead and do that. Now, but you may ask, but Fabio, I'm not comfortable with camera. I don't want to be on the camera, and that's so fine. There's other ways you can do YouTube. For instance, you could build, I've seen this, and with loads of success, people actually, building YouTube channels and just, explaining through, videos, mini videos and images, and they just do a voiceover on top of those images that they put together, and then boom, they have a video, and they don't have to show their face. They just, they build this kind of animation with images, with videos that they get on the internet, for example, at pexels.com, and then they put it together, and then they create this video, and then voiceover explaining them what it's all about, what it does, right? It can be on any niche, right? And so if you're not comfortable, you can do it this way. Now, there's many ways you can monetize with YouTube. The one that I recommend the most is, through affiliate marketing, which is, promoting a product that people need, promoting a product that solves a specific issue for the person, right? and by doing videos that provide value and then offer that as a solution. For instance, I promote this tool, which is Builderall, the all-in-one marketing platform, and business owners, coaches, restaurants, website building agencies, businesses, local businesses, they all need this type of software to build their funnels, to promote their stuff, to have email marketing, right? They need tools. They need better marketing tools, cheaper, because Builderall is quite cheaper compared to others. And so, I provide them, I do videos on how to build a funnel, and then I add my affiliate link there, and then people will sign up to it and they'll pay every month and I get commissions, right? So that's one way to go about it. Also, online beginners that want to build a website, an email list, they want to have their business online, they need an autoresponder. So therefore, Builderall is a solution. I make videos around that, how to use the autoresponder, this and that, and people then might sign up through my link because I show them how to use the tool, for instance. Also, when making these type of videos that I do about making money online, I have a product that I promote that teaches people how to make money online. And so I normally tell people that to go into the description where I have a link where they can find out how I'm making these high ticket commissions. And by the way, you can see the link, I have it in below. But YouTube is an amazing way to get traffic. I definitely recommend this traffic if you are serious and you want to do it long term. So that's number one. Then TikTok is another great traffic source, and it's really exploding at the moment. And it's the fastest way for you to grow. It's TikTok. With TikTok, you can be making small videos. It's all about quantity, not quality, because you can make in the app really quick. You can make a video, and then that video gets thousands of views, and it can get you loads of leads, because you can add a link into your your profile, and then when people go to your profile, they click the link and goes to a landing page which you can have. You capture the email, and then you have a bridge page where you talk about a little bit about the product. You follow up through email, and you're building that business that way as you're building your email list, which is the most important thing that you want to be doing if you are serious about building a business online. With TikTok, just to give you an example, I'm in TikTok about 2 months, and I'm almost at 30,000 subscribers just in 2 months. So as you can see, the power of TikTok, you can grow really fast on it, and you can get a lot of traffic with it. Now it's all about the retention rate, how long people stay watching the video. So adding songs to the video, emotions, telling stories on the video, connecting with people, doing lives on TikTok. When you do a live and you connect with people and actually getting in touch with them and introducing yourself, right? And tell them what you do and what you can offer, or just provide value, give them help them out for free. And when it's all about building connections one-on-one, that will make you more sales and make you more money. Whatever it is that you are promoting, whatever product it is that you are promoting, the thing is you want to be providing free value on the TikToks. As you provide value, I find that the more value I give in a video on TikTok, I get the most watch time, because people stick to it because they wanna learn that, right? And so TikTok, it is really, really, really powerful. I have actually a couple of videos here on my YouTube channel on how to grow on TikTok. You can watch them if you go to my videos. And TikTok is amazing. I definitely recommend you be on TikTok. And I will leave below in the comment section my link to my TikTok account, so you could take a look into it and just see what I'm doing, so you can kind of see how I do it. And by the way, it's all about whatever niche you are in, you want to be looking into and following people that are in your niche and just see what they're doing, and see what works for them, and then model that. Find their videos that are literally went viral, and then model that, make your own version of it, right? And man, I cannot say good enough things about TikTok. It's really an amazing platform for you to grow fast. And also, if you're doing a YouTube channel, if you want to grow it faster, you can ask people to go to your YouTube channel on TikTok. And because you get a lot of views with TikTok really quick, you get a lot of traffic, and you can, you know, direct that traffic into YouTube and grow your YouTube as well through TikTok. Another great traffic source is Facebook. Now, Facebook is really good because you can connect with people one-on-one, and you can be, you know, providing value on your profile. And if you might ask, oh, but I don't know what to post. I mean, just valuable content, you know, teaching them things that are valuable, quotes, how to do things, you know, just pure value. And then, you know, at some post you have a call to action. You say, hey, comment below if you want to learn more about this, and then you send them to a, you know, a landing page where you then, you know, capture their email, and then you send them to the offer. Creating your own group, and, you know, building your group there, and, you know, provide value on a daily basis, and just build that way, and then connect with people one-on-one, right? That is really effective as well, because, you know, when you connect with a person one-on-one, they start, you know, they're way more likely to buy from you, whatever you are promoting. So making the connection, and you know, DMing people actually is a really powerful way to get sales through free traffic methods. You could do this on Instagram as well. You know, we could be searching for, you know, for instance, businesses that need software. For example, the Builderall tool, which I holy crap. That's crazy. You know what just happened, guys? The light went off over here. I'll just keep going and then I'll fix it. So I was saying, like, on Instagram, you could be searching for businesses that, for example, coaches and, you know, people that do service online, fitness, all kinds of things, people that, you know, do these things, and just all kinds of niches. And you can look at their profile, you know, search on the hashtag on Instagram, look for their profile and see if they are capturing people's emails. Because if they're not, they're missing out, because if you're not capturing the email, you lose that person forever. And so you can, you know, get in contact with them and just tell them, hey, I could build yourself a landing page for your business for free. And then, you know, you send them your affiliate link, for instance, for Builderall, which is the tool to build the funnels. And then you transfer the funnel to them, you know, help them out through a Zoom call, and they'll stay paying the software, you know, monthly, and you're getting that recurring income. And you could be doing this, connecting one-on-one through DM, and it's very effective. You can also, you know, utilize LinkedIn to do that as well, you know, connecting one-on-one, because LinkedIn, you can see what people do. There's groups, specific groups there that are specific to what you are promoting. You could be doing that, and connecting one-on-one is really powerful way to get sales through affiliate marketing. Now, when DMing people, it's not just about, you know, spamming people with links. No, it's actually, you know, trying to help them really out. And when you do this, when you go with this approach by trying to help them out, you know, it's going to be much easier for them to, you know, buy what you are promoting, because you're wanting to help. They go like, okay, this person wants to help me. But of course, in order for you to help, and for instance, if they need a funnel online for them to capture emails, of course they need the tool. So you tell them, hey, with my affiliate link, you sign up through my affiliate link, man, and you know, I'll keep helping you along the way. So make sure that everything is working, and grow your business with that. And you know, you just help them out, and by helping them, by having this mindset of giving out for free, then you will attract a lot of people into whatever you are promoting. And it can be on any niche. For example, if you are on the niche of weight loss, you can, you know, by telling your story to people, connecting with them and introducing yourself, and, you know, provide a solution to them, they might go ahead and, you know, buy whatever you are promoting. because you want to help and not just going for the sale. Because if you're just wanting to, for the sake of making money, and I understand that, it's not going to work as well. You have to always go with providing value to the marketplace. And then once you do this, you will see the sales going to start coming in. Now, these are some traffic methods that, I've, tried them all. They do work. And those are, traffic methods that I don't recommend you just go all in with all of them. I definitely recommend you just pick 1 or 2 maximum and just focus on that and be a master at that. Because the man who chases 2 rabbits catches none. So it's best to focus just on 1, maximum 2, and, really dial into it and become really good at it. Now, there's also other traffic methods you can go with, free traffic methods. You can use Pinterest, for example. It's another great search engine where you can be joining groups related to your niche, putting posts out there and then linking to your offer, right? For example, to a blog post where then you have your affiliate link inside of the post, and then you're making commissions through that way, right? By building, images, depending on what niche you are. But Pinterest mostly is women there, so depending on what niche you are going for it, Pinterest is also a really good solution to go for it. Also, Twitter is another big platform. Although I don't like it much, but there's people actually doing, using hashtags and then, posting a lot, even searching with an hashtag for specific keyword that, for instance, if people wanting to build a website and you are offering a software that helps them build a website, you can look for, how to build a website on Twitter, and it will show a lot of people that are searching for that to build a website. They want to build a website, and you can connect with them and offer them the solution. Really help them out and offer the solution. Now, I want to touch on the point again of email marketing. I made the mistake in the beginning of not capturing people's emails. That is a big mistake, because the thing is, if you're not capturing people's emails, it's like you don't have a business, because you don't have somewhere where you can tap into that traffic. Like when you're capturing emails and you're building an email list, you have that traffic on your fingertips and you can email them anytime you want. So it's like a traffic source there that you've created that you can sell anytime you want. And the good thing about it is people already know you, because they already opt into your your landing page. They already get your emails, and so the conversion rate is much higher. And it's the number 1 media that makes the most money. It's email marketing. So you want to make sure you tap into that. So the software that I use for this is Builderall. I will leave a link below so you can give it a try if you want. All right, this is just some ideas so you can get, one idea can change everything for you. Again, go all in with just 1 or 2 maximum traffic sources, and focus on that. Make sure you are capturing people's emails so you can follow up. Make sure you do that. If you don't follow up, you're missing out. And it's about taking consistent action and really making the decision to go all in and keep at it. Also, I will leave below a link for you if you want to schedule a call with me, a free call with me, so for me to help you with your business or whatever that you are wanting to do. Whatever question you have, if you're trying to build an affiliate business online or just any kind of business, network marketing, a store online, whatever it is, I'm willing to help you out. So that link will be below. With that said, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time for being here with me. If you have not subscribed to the channel, the link will be below for you to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that smash the like button and subscribe so you get notifications, because I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.